Okay, so today I'm going to be replacing the belt on my 2005 Grand Marquis LS. We're going to find out if the belt that's currently on it is original or not. I believe it is because it has some dry rot on it, so I bet it's pretty old. So I actually haven't done a belt replacement, at least not on a V8. So I obviously am going to use Motorcraft because OEM is always best in my opinion, and these are really good belts from what I've read. So that's the belt number, and that's what I'm gonna do now. I gotta get this hood propped up. It's kind of messed up. Well, actually, it looks like it is propped. Ooh, I got lucky. Alright, got the hood propped up. I'm gonna take a look down here for a minute. Okay, I can see where you put the ratchet right there. It looks like it's a 3/8. In most cases, you'll have a sticker showing you the route the belt goes. I have it off because I'm working on the front end because it was an accident, so I'm gonna leave this here though because I'm gonna need to look at it. Okay, I got my ratchet here and my attachment. Hopefully I can actually use the attachment, but alright. So put your ratchet on tightening and just stick it on there and push down on it, and that releases the tension right there. So I'm gonna leave this out. I can grab this old belt, get it out of the way. Is this OEM? Don't know. But you can see it's got plenty of dry rot on there, so it was time for a belt anyway. Make sure this new belt matches up. Yep, perfect. Okay, get it started here, down here, and this bottom, well, that's a lot of slack. Bottom goes there. Okay, I'm gonna start down there at the bottom, go under this bolt. Okay, so now I'm lined up with both of those, and then this one goes up to here, and then okay, now I'm on top of that one. Well, that was actually very easy. I'm gonna confirm that I got this right. Okay, so that was pretty dang easy. Can't complain. It took me about 5 minutes to take it off and put it back on. But I got it started down in between these two pulleys and started my way up to the top, back down. And once I got it over this tensioner, I took the belt at the alternator off and then slipped it down on here, and then pulled the tensioner all the way down, and then slipped the top on right at the alternator pulley. So that's what I did, and it was very simple. So it's about time to get a start up here. I want to make sure it starts up good. Maybe it'll be a little less noisy. Well, it's already noisy. What can I say? I'm just going to make sure everything's lined up perfectly, and then I'll do the startup. programmed properly. Looks beautiful. Nice and straight. Alright, I guess we can take it for a test ride. Not on the road, unfortunately. Parking brake works. I need to take my that little piece that has a sticker on it off. This piece. I'll end up running it over. I'd love to put some Goodyear Eagles on it, but a little bit expensive, especially because I'm not going to put a ton of miles on it. I want to drive it on the road so bad, you have no idea. God, I need to go ahead and get some parts ordered, but traction control works pretty good. Just had to give it some revs so I could make sure that belt ain't gonna fly off. I'm pretty confident in it now. I just wanted to make sure that it wasn't gonna squeak or nothing before I'm done with it. Hell yeah. She's a Panther, all right. Hell yeah. I love it. I love it. So I'm happy with that. That's pretty much all I'm gonna do today on this thing. I don't really have anything else to do anyway, but gotta order some new parts. But that's how to change a belt. I mean, there's a lot of good YouTube videos on YouTube if you really want to learn how to do it. I wasn't particularly doing a tutorial video, but I just wanted to show how easy that it is to change. Like, anybody can change it. So thanks for watching the video, guys. Turn on post notifications so you get notifications every time I upload. Subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos, and like the video. I think I said that. If not, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.